11 key highlights from the book. Stick with it. 1. Behavioral change requires more than just changing bad habits. 2. Common wisdom suggests changing as a person, but often effective change happens when we change as a process. 3. The mind has an important role to play in directing behavioral change, but often our action will shape the mindset and not the other way around. 4. When planning to change, most people jump to a wider vision and set lofty goals, but forget to break things down to the smallest possible steps. Using step ladders is therefore one of the most effective techniques backed by science. 5. The importance of a community for change is evidenced by groups like CrossFit, Weightwatchers and Alcoholics Anonymous. To aid change, an effective community must provide trust, inclusion, shared purpose, reward, and a social element. 6. Something must be held to be important in order to generate the requisite motivations for someone to change. Importance precedes motivation always. 7. Change happens when we make things as easy as possible for ourselves by structuring the change in a convenient and self-enforcing way. 8. We can use Neuro Hacks to trick our brain into accepting a new neural path, overcoming the resistance to new methods and uncertainties. 9. Using intrinsic and extrinsic rewards can help make our behavioral change more captivating, triggering the mind to respond more positively to new behavior. 10. Working to ingrain new behaviors is key when forming new habits. Simple tools like calendar change and routinization can help us stick with habits that have eluded our ability for change previously. 11. The author takes us through 7 steps to creating lasting behavior change. 1. Step ladders. 2. Community. 3. Important. 4. Easy. 5. Neuro hacks. 6. Captivating. 7. Entertainment. Thank you very much for watching this video.